about?
Because I don't know how flammable you are.
What's it gonna jump all up here?
I don't know.
Are you doing your hair?
Mom, I'm recording.
No.
What is up, guys? It's your girl on phone. So back at it again with another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be bleaching and dyeing my hair. So I'll show you guys the product. So I'll be bleaching my hair with this Dark and Lovely bleaching kit. It has stuff and stuff, so I'll be able to do it, and then I'll be dyeing it this color. Yeah, so let's get into the video. The first thing that I have to do with this bleaching kit and stuff is I have to get my gloves on and stuff. So I've already read the instructions and watched the videos. The only thing is I don't know what kind of style I want to do with my locks. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a half and half or like a peekaboo, so just in the back and this stays the same on my whole hair. So first I have to mix all the products together, basically do my hair and stuff. So I'll be right back, so I'll show you guys the process. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is untwist this. And we said we have to add 2 packets of these inside. And this is the step 2. That's 1 packet. And here's the second packet. So they said for the next step, you have to shake it rigorously. So I'm gonna put this on and shake. After I shake it and take off the top, they said to first take this off, because if not, it'll explode. Keep your finger on it and shake. So now I'm going to be working fast with it. To get it better applied and stuff, I'm going to actually take this off for now and put it in here. Just some of it, not a lot. And then I'm going to be applying it to my hair. And I already have my hair parted in section. Okay, I'm a fourth of the way done. So I almost forgot to mention, but along this part of my hair, I'll be putting Mary Kay satin hand. I won't accidentally dye anything. What am I supposed to? What do we have seen? If you see it's coming off, it just turned it. I'm gonna take off my glasses. I'm also going to retwist again once I get done. I'm done. Also, they said don't wash your hair before you dye. So I was researching it and they said don't, because when you wash your hair, it strips all the natural oils from it and that makes the pigmentation come in. Nobody told me that, so I'm telling you. One more section to go.
But she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on.
Are you doing your hair?
Mom, I'm recording. So now I'm gonna let this sit for 35 minutes. No? What'd you just throw her? Should I just do one eyebrow or both? What, she went for another one? Be careful. Is it lit? The stove?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know how flammable you are. Because I don't know how flammable you are.
What's it gonna jump all up here?
I don't know.
Come on. Open the back door station
Okay, hold on.
so she can get out.
Look, now she's just walking over. Hello? Listen. So this is what it's looking like before I wash it. So I'm thinking if I should leave it on for a little more. Alright guys, so this is it after I dyed it. I like it. It looks like dirty blonde. Didn't expect it to be bright. But now we're gonna be using this right here. Again, I'm showing you guys. But I like the color. Maybe I'll leave a little patch of blonde or something. Like right here. I think I like that. I'll leave this section right here blonde. And now the rest of my hair, so when it comes down, it's like that. I think I like it. Okay. Shampoo and towel dry. Use protective cream around hairline. Hey, you know this stuff? Should I use this first?
What is it?
But it's to violet toning care.
I guess I haven't done it before.
Hold on, I'm gonna look it up.
No.
Ooh, look at that.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I
Listen, it could be half and half. We could be doing half and half.
I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Shine, come here. Let me go on you.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be.
I'm officially done. Look at my hair. This is the back. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Just wait till I style it more. Like, I feel like I could have kept it blonde, but I do like it like this. So I don't mind. Look at the eyebrows. Anyways, thanks for watching. It's your girl on phone, so I'll see you later.